Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkurutam avagnatam tattamasam Vudahrutam. Om. Do not give gifts, charities to unworthy persons and to unworthy places. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not give gifts, charities to unworthy persons and to unworthy places. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantam Anupetam Upeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhine Duhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hridayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Vom Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 354th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Vrindavanam Sri Krishna Paramatma has seen all the trees and realized the helping nature of trees, sharing that nature of trees to his friends and suggesting that all the humans should be performing their activities so that others can be helped. Like that, Krishna Paramatma talked to his friends, and from there, all of them Yamunam Gataha, they went to Yamuna river. There they let all their cows drink the water from Yamuna river. After that, Swayam Gopaha Kamam Svadu Papurjalam. They also drank water from the sweet water from Yamuna. After that, they started again gazing their cows. There is one small park. They are wandering here and there. And while doing that, all the friends of Krishna Paramatma felt hungry. Then they all came to Krishna Rama Upagamya Kshudartha Idamabruvan. They came to Krishna Balarama and asking like this, Rama Rama Mahabaho Krishna Dushta Nibarhana. Ho Balarama, ho Krishna, we are all feeling hungry. You both have to do something so that our hunger is quenched. Please do something. Like that, when all friends requested, Devaki Nandana Sri Krishna Paramatma, he suddenly remembered the wives of Brahmanas. They are all Krishna Paramatma's devotees. So Krishna thought to bless all those wives of Brahmanas, now saying to his friends like this, Oh my dear friends, very nearby there are some Brahmanas performing one yajna, Angirasa yajna, for them, in order them to attain Swargam. So you all go there. Like that, Krishna Paramatma sending his friends to Yagasala. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 22nd sloka. Adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkrutam avagnatam tattamasamudahrutam. Adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkrutam avagnatam tattamasamudahrutam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.